Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Dymo Letratag label maker just like this that has faint printing. I'll be going over the easiest fixes and showing you how to fix it in just hopefully a couple of steps. Let's get right into the video. Now this is the Dymo Letratag 100H, and if you have this unit or something very similar to it, you can try these steps out and hopefully one of them will fix your faint printing problem. There are 5 things that I'm going to show you how to do and tell you how to do, and I'm going to go through them quickly. So make notes, try them out at home, and hopefully one of them works for you. Let's get right into this. Number 1 is usually when it's printing faintly, you just need to replace the batteries. Now, obviously, there's a low battery warning indicator that appears sometimes if the batteries are low enough, but sometimes the batteries are just above that threshold and they're low, but not low enough to let you know that they're low. So just honestly pop off the battery cover, replace the batteries with fresh batteries. Make sure they are fully charged, fresh from the pack batteries, and hopefully that works for you. And most of the time, that is usually the case of what works. Okay, if that doesn't work, move on to number 2, which is very simple. Turn it off and on. So literally, it's like anything else. You want to reset it. Turn it off and on. So if it's on and it's printing faintly, turn it off very simply and turn it back on. What you can also do is when you're turning it off, press and hold that power button down for about 10 seconds. And I've read in various places unofficially that it drains the residual power from there. So try that out and see if it works as well. If that doesn't work, move on to number 3, which is to remove the cassette and put it back in again. So open the cassette door over here, remove the cassette, just pull it out. Okay, sometimes you can even give it a little shake. I've read that that might work sometimes, but that's unofficial, I'm not sure. But put it back in and see if that works. Try printing again, see if that faint printing is now full-blown good label printing, okay? If that doesn't work, move on to number 4, which is to remove the old cassette and replace it with a new cassette. So remove the old cassette with the old label printing over here and replace it with a new cassette, because sometimes it's the cassette that's the problem and not the actual label maker, okay? The last one that I'm gonna tell you about, and there's a bonus one, so stay tuned till the end. There's a bonus one, but because I just thought about it now as another option. But the last one that I have written down over here is number 5, which is when you turn it on, okay, what you want to do is clear everything. So press the clear button and it's going to say clear all, press OK, and it will clear everything out. Sometimes it's just like a software issue. I've also read that you can press and hold down the clear button for about 10 seconds and then press OK to clear all, and that will help you out. And those are the ones that I have written down. But the last one that I want to tell you about is make sure that the unit is off, remove the old cassette, remove the current cassette, get a Q-tip, clean inside of here with just a dry Q-tip, nothing on it, clean inside of there, and then put the cassette back in, and then try printing once again, and hopefully your faint printing problem is gone. And that's it. Basically a 3-minute video, 6+ solutions to hopefully help you with your problem, and hopefully you get to fix your Dymo Letratag label maker, and hopefully it can print again, because these things are awesome. Now, luckily for you and me, these situations where they don't work are very rare because they're super durable and they're super advanced. And they're very reliable. But if it does happen to you, hopefully one of these things works for you. And that is truly it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.